All right, Shalom. Giving all glory, honor, and praises to Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai, by Hashem, Akakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders, the great millstone, the rule and teach well. Peace, love, salutation to the elect 144 first fruit. All right, so I got this little article up. I did receive this article from Tazamah in Dallas. I just wanted to do a quick, I like to do those 2 to 5 minute lessons just to give an update what's going on around the world. So it says Russia warships explosion as ship hit by a missile, and Ukraine is claiming that they committed this act. So it says Russia has confirmed one of its warships was struck by a Ukrainian attack on a Black Sea port in Crimea. A video of the incident shows an explosion after the ship was hit. Russia's Ministry of Defense said the attack came from Ukrainian aircraft carrying guided missiles. The head of Ukrainian Air Force said earlier its warplanes had destroyed the ship. Disregard the advertisement, please. It's like 20 seconds. Yeah, while that loads, anywho, you can see the war ramping up. Even though Ukraine is really getting their ass kicked, of course they're gonna make something seem bigger than what it is.
Садись. Тихо, тихо, тихо. Ты снимаешь? Да. Охренеть. Ой, жарко сюда. Вот зря мы сюда пошли, там осколки, блин, летят. Поэтому говорю, голову. Нифига себе. О, тихо. Садись. Тихо, тихо, тихо. Ты снимаешь? Да. Охренеть. Ой, жарко сюда. Вот зря мы сюда пошли, там осколки, блин, летят. Поэтому говорю, голову. Нифига себе. О, тихо, ты чё? Офигеть.
All right, so that's pretty much what's going on. War is ramping up. It's going to ramp up everywhere. Lord willing, I wouldn't say edify, but this is just updates of what's going on. Shalom.